That's the wrong answer. So the central value of the data is median. That's the right answer. Swastik, Rajal, Avika. That's right. Anupriya, you have given me the wrong answer. The first answer is median. That is correct. Second is when you're shifting one side of the equation and changing the sign. Is transposing, transposition, or both are correct. It's not transposal. It's transposition or transposing. Okay. Next is third question number 3. Yes, Abhika, you're right. Vansh Goyal. I am a closed figure with 3 sides and 3 vertices. That is triangle. That is the correct answer. Triangle is the correct answer. Now let's move to the complete the steps. Jayavardhan, Janmejay, you're not answering me in the chat box. Astha, you're right here. Complete the given steps. So in the first blank, what will be coming? 25 upon 25 by 5. That's right, Jayavardhan. In the second blank, what will be coming? First blank, 25 by 5 and 5 plus 3. That's the right answer. Yes, Swastik, Athar, you're right. So in the first blank, you will be writing 25 by 5, and in the second blank, you will be writing 5 plus 3. Okay. Let's move to the B part, angles and property. So in the first blank, it should be, yes, Yashika, you're right, 180 degrees. Jayavardhan, Frajal, you're right, 180 degrees. That's the correct answer. 180 degrees will be coming in the first blank. In the second blank, yes, minus 130 degrees. That's the correct answer, Rajal. Natik, you are right also. Not 13, beta, it's 130 degree. 1 square, right, here, right. It should be minus 130. Okay. Next, C part. What will be the square of 5? No, Yashika, you're wrong here. Square of 5 is 25. 5 5s are 25. That's right. Rajal, Ananya, Jayavardhan, Vansh Goyal. That's right. Athar, Jia. Yes. In the second blank. 169. Priyanshi, you're right. Yes, Priyanshi, 169 and will be coming in the next blank. That's right. Swastik, Rajal. Then Majay, no answers are coming. Yashika, right. Anupriya, right. Astha, right. That's correct. Anantanadi, no answers are coming from your side. Ayana, no answers are coming. Anshika, single, you are also not answering me. Let's move to the next question. Let me just the range of the data is equal to highest value plus lowest value. What is correcting the incorrect statements? Yes, minus, right. Haryanshi, Swastik, Kavika, that's right. In place of plus, you will be writing minus over here. That's right. Minus, not lowest. Yes. In place of plus, you will be writing minus here. That's right. Astha, Ayana, that's right. Two figures are congruent if they have same area and size. Sides and angles. No, Swastik. Vansh Goyal, you're right here. Rajal. Same shape and size will be the absolutely right answer. In place of area, it should be shape. Yes, Sharvil, Jayavardhan, you're right here. Astha, you're also right here. So shape and size is correct answer. Two figures are congruent if they have same shape and size. Yes, Ananya Jain. The reciprocal of negative rational number is always, Vansh Goyal, you're wrong here. Negative, Anupriya, you're right here. No, Swastik, number itself is wrong. Yes, Rajal, you're right here. Ayanshi, you're wrong here. Pulkit, wrong. Avika, right. So the reciprocal of a negative rational number is always negative. Negative का rational number का हमेशा आंसर negative ही होता है. Not -1, Priyanshi, wrong. It should be negative. 1 की जगह negative आना चाहिए था. That will be correct. Yes, Jayavardhan, you're right here. Astha, right. So instead of 1, we will be getting the answer negative here. Now complete the statements. Yes, -4 by 16 is correct, Jayavardhan. -5 by 20. minus 6 by 24, that's right. Minus 4 by 16, minus 5 by 20, and minus 6 by 24, that's right. When 2x plus 3 is equal to 5, then x is equal to how much? 1. Yes, right. 1 is the correct answer. Yashika, Ananya, Vyan, right. 1 is the correct answer here. Just a second. Just a second. Priyanshi, Avika, that's correct. 180 degrees is the correct answer. Interior angle, sum of interior angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. Dhavanya, still your camera is off. Catch your mistake. Yes. First answer will be 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. Gia, you are right here. It should be minus here. When you are transposing the number. No, Yashika, it should not be plus. It should be minus will come. Yes, one square, you are right. So 180 degree minus 100 degree. Next answer. Yes, Avika, right. Next is 47. Yes, mean is coming 47. That's the right answer. When you're dividing 282 by 6, you're getting 47. Anant and Adi, no answers are coming from the side. Nothing I'm getting from the side. Anupriya, start answering, beta. Yes, Astha 47. That's right answer. So let's move to the next question. So find out the mistake over here. What is the mistake here? We have to find out the mistake in the C part. 4 by 1, no. Yes, Avika, you are right here. 12 by 3. In place of this multiplication, there should be the division sign. Instead of this multiplication, there should be division sign, because when you are transposing this number from right to left side, the multiplication will change into division. So 12 multiplied 3, instead of that 12 divided by 3. Yes, Rajal, you're right here. Vansh Goyal, that's right, but Ananya Jain, no. Instead of multiplication, there should be division sign. So it should be 12 divided by 3 or 12/3. That means the same thing. Okay, let's move to the next one. Case study. In which year the amount of manure manufactured by the company was maximum? Maximum in the year 1994. Haryanshi, you're right. Swastik, you're right. Anupriya, right. Jayavardhan, right. Gia, right. Vansh Goyal, very good. 1994. Minimum. Now tell me the minimum one. Minimum in, yes, Jayavardhan, Haryanshi, Swastik, Anantanadi, that's right. Minimum in 1992. That's right. And tell me the consecutive years which is a decrease in the manufacture of manure. No, Sharvil Bhatt, you're wrong here. Haryanshi, you're right here. Anupriya, not, if you are talking about the consecutive years, that means you have to write 2 years at least. So 1996 and 1997. No, Avika, you're wrong here. Consecutive years here mean that in which 2 years there is a downfall in the manure production. The maximum manure production should be No, wrong beta, not 1995 to 1997. How can it be possible? Downfall you have to tell na. So 1996 it was 40 and in 1997 you're getting 20. So that means 20 tons, 20,000 tons will be decreased. So the answer is 1996 and 1997. Correct answer is 1996 and 1997. Because if you see the downfall, see from 1992 to 1993 there is an increase. Still 1993 and 1994 there is still increase. But decrease in 1994 and 1997, 1995 sorry. But there is 15 ton decrease. But if you see the decrease in 1996 and 1997, there is a decrease of 20,000 tons. So the maximum decrease in 1996 and 1997. No, not 1996. You can't write. 2 years at least you have to write now when you are writing about the consecutive years. So the major downfall will be in the years 1996 and 1997. Yeah. Now tell me the probability of mathematics. The word T. Yes, Anupriya, you're right here. Yes, Anshika, Srajal, you're right here. No, Aryanshi, you're wrong. Yashika, you are also wrong here. 2 by 11 is the correct answer because 2 times T is coming. And total number of words are 11. So sum of all observations upon number of at least total possible outcomes. Number of outcomes are 2 and total outcomes are 11. So 2 upon 11. Yes, Yashika. Anantanadi, 2 by 11 is the correct answer. Yes, Pulkit Mathur, unmuted.
मैम जो हम पहले कर रहे थे मैम उसका 1996
class.
Yes ma'am.
Can you speak in English when you're sitting in the class and why your camera is off? Ananya Jan.
Ma'am, my camera is not working. And ma'am, second thing is, ma'am, when we are finding the consecutive year in the bar graph, ma'am, its answer is 1996.
How can it be? Consecutive years means in which लगातार. Consecutive word means always लगातार. तो आपकी कौन से year से कौन सी year में downfall हुआ? That you have to tell ना. So maximum decrease आपका कब 1996 में decrease तो नहीं हुआ ना बेटा? You are getting the maximum decrease in the year 1997. So from starting from the year 1996, there is a major downfall in the year 1997. So you have to write 1986 and 1997 over there.
Okay, ma'am.
Very short questions. Draw a sketch of triangle ABC and BE is a median. Vansh Goyal, if you are telling me the answer of B part, then the answer is wrong. It should be minus 11 by 18. It should not be 11 by 18. No, Athar, we are wrong here. In first question, draw a sketch of triangle ABC and BE is the median. So here, yes, Rajal, you are right here. Rajal, absolutely correct. So you have to draw a triangle ABC and BE is the median over there. Middle line between triangle ABC, that is BE. Yes, Avika, unmuted. Unmuted, Avika.
Mom, yes. Mom, I want to ask. Mom, yes, I want to. Mom, yes, I want to ask about the question. Mom, in case study.
Yes.
Mom, third question, I am not clear.
Beta, consecutive, what do you mean by the word consecutive here?
Mom, लगातार.
So लगातार आपकी किस manure production is decreasing over
Mom, it is also decreasing in the year 1994 and 1995.
But there is a decrease of 15,000 ton. 45 minus 30 is 15. If you see the major downfall, there is 40 minus 20, 996 and 997. 996, the production was 40,000 tons. and 997 that manure production is 20,000 ton. So the major downfall was in the year 1996 to 1997.
Ma'am, but it is increasing from 1995 to 1996.
You have to
That
tell
is of
in
10.
which year it is decreasing the maximum. कहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा decrease हो रहा है? अगर आप if you will start counting out कि 1994 the production was 45,000 ton. अगर आपका production 45 ton हुआ है 1994 में, the downfall was 30. That means 15,000 ton was decreased. But in 1996 the production was 40 and the downfall was maximum in the year 1997. 20,000 ton गिरा है. So हमें we have to tell where is the major downfall.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to compare between 2 years. सबसे ज़्यादा downfall कहाँ हुआ है? That will be the correct answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it now? So change into the simplest form, minus 11 upon 18. GR Singh, your right answer. Answer is right. Minus 11 by 18 is the correct answer. Write the rational numbers in ascending order. You have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ananya Jain, unmuted.
Mom, I want to ask you in capture your mistake. Mom, in C part. Mom, we can write like this also. 12 is equal to 3t minus 6.
Huh? Which you are saying?
Mom, I'm saying the capture mistake is C part. We can write like this also.
C part.
C part.
What you have written? No, that was wrong.
Mom, but you have said that we can do like this also, 3 into t minus.
You have to catch the mistake here. You're not here. The blank is not given over there. So whatever is written over there, accordingly you have to find out the mistake, na? Catch your
Okay,
mistake.
mom.
What does that mean? The steps which are already given, you have to find out where is the mistake. Find out over there. So the
it will be divided.
In place of multiplication, you have to write division. You can solve it in that way also, which you are writing.
Okay, mom.
That is the correct way. But if you have to find out the mistake, you have to work accordingly.
Okay,
Minus
mom.
4 by 3, minus 1 by 3, and minus 2 by 3. Rajal Singh, you're right here. Yes, Athar, you're also right here. Haryanshi is also right. Yeshika, you're wrong here. Akmal Khan, your camera is off. I have to remove you. Removed. Akmal Khan. Don't put your cameras on the off mode. Next is, which congruence criteria you have used here? No, SAS is wrong, Srajal. That's the wrong criteria. Yes, Jayavardhan, you're right. RHS. I have told you earlier, yes, Haryanshi. RHS is the correct answer. Yes, Anshika. Because right hand side, because I told you that if one angle is 90 degrees, you have to write accordingly right hand side. I have already explained you in the revision class this thing, that don't get confused in SAS and RHS. If you are getting one angle as a right angle, 90 degrees, then you have to write RHS. Yes, because of hypotenuse and right angle, that's right. Right hand side. Side angle side, it cannot be possible because one side should be linked. If the angle should be, if the angle will be E, then it can be SAS. Otherwise, SAS is wrong. Okay, so RHS is the correct answer. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts again. What is the probability of starting? The team will start. 1 by 2, Priyanshi, Anupriya, Srajal, Sharvil, that's right answer. Right, so 1 by 2 is the correct answer. Yes, let's move to the short questions. 1/2 is the probability. Yes, Avika. Find 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. So what will be the value of s here? -4, that's right. -4 is the correct answer. Athar, Sajal, you are right here. Next in the B part, P is equal to how much? 60. No, Avika, not 60. It should be 6. Swastik, you are right here. Anantanadi, 6. Yes. 6 is the correct answer, not 60. That's the right answer, 6. Not 45, Anupriya. Priyanshi, Ashika, 6 is the correct answer. Yes, Anupriya, unmuted.
I want to show you question number 7A part. Ma'am, like this, I have drawn the figure. Ma'am, please check it is correct.
I'll check your sheets, beta. I have told you the correct answer right now. I'll check your sheets. I'll tell you. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. So the value of x is 45 degrees. That's right, Swastik, Priyanshi. Yes, angle is 45 degrees. That's right. That's the correct answer. Explain why these triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. ASA. Angle, side angle. ASA congruence criteria is right. 45 is equal to its complement. That's right, whichever done. So whatever the part is given, you can write here angle A is equal to angle F and angle B is equal to angle E. That's right. ASA congruence criteria is correct. Yes, beta. That's right. So the three rational numbers between -5/7 and -3/8. Three rational numbers. 22, 20, 24. 479 upon 560. -39 upon 56. Avika, you're right here. -38 upon 56, -37 upon 56. That -39 upon 56, -38 upon 56, -37 upon 56. That's the right answer. 22, 23, 24. Okay. ठीक है, Sajal. 3m/5 is equal to 6. That's right. Jayavardhan. Next answer is also correct. 3 upon 5m is equal to 6. 3m upon 5 is equal to 6. That's right, Rajal. 4 added to 3 times the number p is 26. 3p plus 4 is equal to 26. Beta, Haryanshi, you have not written. You have written minus instead of is equal to. So 3p plus 4 is equal to 26 over here. Yes, Anupriya Jayavardhan, you are right here. That's right. Rajal. Anantanadi, that's wrong. Yes, Jia, you are right here.